Total U.S. vehicle mileage is now very close to pre-COVID levels. That's a step forward. Yet with this progress, traffic fatalities are up. And that's something that concerns all of us. As a global leader in mobility, Hyundai is dedicated to providing advanced safety technology in all of our vehicles, including our all-new, all-electric Ioniq brand. Our goal is to deliver safer and more sustainable vehicles that protect everyone on the road, but especially our youngest passengers. We've recently made some very important milestones in vehicle safety.
As a safety department, we are committed to making vehicles safer. We look at the past and present to ensure our future vehicles are better than before. We want to understand those critical moments that can make a difference, before, during, and after a crash, that continuum. We use that insight to develop the best solutions to help people keep safe. So let's start with the before. Clearly, avoiding a crash is preferable to surviving one. Many crashes are the result of a split-second distraction. For example, the car ahead brakes while your eyes are elsewhere, or a box falls from a truck a few cars ahead of you as you're driving. In the early 2000s, technologies began to appear on some luxury vehicles to help drivers avoid a crash in these situations. The umbrella term for these systems are called automatic emergency braking. It's been around long enough now that we can look at comparison data to see just how effective it really is in real-world driving. So here's the key finding. In a study by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, passenger vehicles equipped with AEB had up to 50% fewer front-to-rear vehicle crashes than those without. That's great. That's fantastic. Even better, those occupants suffered 56% fewer injuries from these types of crashes. 56%. It's proven so effective. In 2016, Hyundai pledged to make automatic emergency braking standard on 95% of our new vehicles by September of 2022. So I'm pleased to report today that we've surpassed that goal in two important ways. So first, we reached that objective nearly 2 years ahead of schedule. In fact, today, more than 98% of our vehicles offer this life-saving technology. Second, we delivered an even more effective form of automatic emergency braking. AEB responds to vehicles in your path. Our system does that, but much more. We integrated a radar sensor with a windshield-mounted camera that can help detect pedestrians and cyclists. We call this more advanced system forward collision avoidance assist. So whether it's a pedestrian stepping out between cars, or a cyclist who sails through an intersection, or a driver suddenly braking in front of you, forward collision avoidance assist can give you an audible warning, and if necessary, apply the brakes. This is progress for humanity. It's for everyone. Progress not just for customers, everyone on the road. We've made great strides in helping drivers avoid crashes. However, crashes still happen. So let's now talk about how we best protect people during a collision. Every element of the vehicle structure is engineered to maximize protecting passengers from injuries in a high-speed crash. We use 6 different types of steel to create the optimal body structure. We also use a process called hot stamping to create very strong structural reinforcements to maintain that occupant compartment integrity. These materials and processes result in a very strong body structure to protect occupants without adding unnecessary weight. Within this body structure, seatbelt pretensioners, airbags, impact-absorbing materials work in concert to minimize the potential for injuries, protect the occupants. All of these deliberately engineered design factors contribute to our award-winning crash test performance. We're proud of the fact that our product line leads the industry with 12 Top Safety Picks and Top Safety Pick Plus awards. Like this Tucson, every SUV in our lineup holds an IIHS Top Safety Pick or Top Safety Pick Plus designation. Now let's talk about after. When crashes happen, if you're injured and you can't summon emergency services, your vehicle will do it for you. when you have Hyundai BlueLink installed and activated. After an airbag deploys, a collision notification signal will be transmitted automatically to your BlueLink customer care center. If the driver is unable to answer, the operator will notify emergency assistance and remain on the line until help arrives. When we think of after, we're not just focused on after a crash, we're also focused on a tragedy that can occur once you've safely reached your destination. Since 1998, more than 900 children have died from overheating. Very unfortunate, when left inside parked vehicles. To help prevent this heartbreak from happening, Hyundai developed a unique solution we call Rear Occupant Alert. It uses an ultrasonic sensor so sensitive it can detect the breathing of a sleeping child. If it detects even the subtle movement in the cabin after the driver has parked, exited the vehicle, forgotten about their precious cargo, Rear Occupant Alert will text the vehicle owner using BlueLink, while also sounding the horn, flashing the vehicle lights. Very powerful. Let's look at another danger that can arise after you reached your destination. Imagine dropping a passenger off just when a car is about to pass the side of your vehicle. We developed Safe Exit Assist for situations just like this. When activated, it helps prevent the door from opening until the car has passed. So the car is protecting you. It can also assist in the detection of cyclists and pedestrians and help prevent the door from swinging out into their path. These are just a few examples of how we approach safety to deliver life-saving tools before, during, and after.
Over the past 5 years, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety has awarded Hyundai with more IIHS top safety picks than any other brand. Today, 12 models in the Hyundai lineup have received IIHS awards. Of those, 5 offer eco-friendly powertrain options. But at Hyundai, we are in a relentless pursuit of excellence, especially when it comes to our most precious passengers, kids. Hyundai has taken exceptional steps to help protect child passengers. In September, we announced a partnership with Children's Hospital Los Angeles to host car seat safety inspections and child safety workshops. Did you know that nearly half of car seats and booster seats are installed incorrectly or are improperly used? At our safety events, certified child passenger safety technicians inspect car seats for expiration, manufacturer recalls, proper fit, and installation. We even provide a free replacement car seat if the inspectors discover that a child seat is expired or has been recalled. With the success of our LA program, we're ready to expand it to other markets by partnering with local children's hospitals, like Lurie's Children's Hospital here in Chicago. Whether we're talking about our advanced safety technology or our bold embrace of electrification, Hyundai is committed to taking care of our passengers and our planet.